Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that everyone is fit and fine. I am also doing great. I am now in my village and I think you can understand that where am I now? I am now in a field. Actually, I am in the middle of this field, and here in this field we have some piece of land, and actually today this is very afternoon, and here I have my cousin with me, and he is holding the camera, and he is acting as the cameraman. I am in front of camera because I want to share one of my realization with you. That is, from the very beginning of my life, my family was involved in agriculture related job. I noticed that actually you can say this is my real life experience. I noticed that the agriculture related works, they are one of the toughest work in the world. The farmers, they have to work timely. It doesn't matter whether it's rainy season, whether it's winter season, or whether it's summer season. They must have to work. It doesn't matter whether it's the temperature is very cold or the temperature is very hot. And the worst thing which I experienced, that is working in the summer season when the temperature was very hot. At that time working is very difficult, and actually the farmers, they are doing such amount of hard work, but I don't see that till now the farmers, they get their proper recognition and they get their proper value of their works. So this type of things happened in our country. Look at this. This is very afternoon. I am now enjoying the weather, but look at this. Here the farmers, they are working, and I think you can understand here some village women, they are also working here, and I think I don't know whether my camera can catch it or not. So please, can you please hold the camera in there? Okay, look at this. Here there are some people, they also work in this weather. So this is the thing actually. So we are enjoying the weather, we are going here and there, we think, okay, how beautiful this scenery is, but the farmers, they are working. So this is the scenario. I am hopeful person, and I hope that in future, maybe in one day, the farmers, they will also get their proper recognition, and the people of our society, they will also try to provide them proper respect. So this is the thing. Otherwise it's actually the whole thing will be changed. Like here nowadays I noticed that from my village, from my area, actually the people they are not interested to work as the farmer, because it's very hard work, but they don't get proper money, they don't get proper value of their work. That's why nowadays the people, they try to go abroad. Some of my friends, they are now doing several types of other things. They go to the city area and they try to earn their livelihood. By doing this type of things, they try to earn money, but not by doing agriculture. I think you know that in the foreign country, like in Japan, in USA, or in any other European country, the farmers, they earn a huge amount of money. They are doing the same type of things, but they earn a lot of money, and at the same time the government, they try to provide them different types of incentives, and they try to provide their ration or some money, and in different times they try to provide them consultancy, and again they sometimes try to provide them seed which are very improved level. So all of these things the government, they try to arrange, and the people of all of this country, they also try to provide them proper respect. I think in future, maybe in one day, I dream for that in Bangladesh also farmers, they get their proper recognition, they will get their proper respect. So I appreciate that you are watching my videos. I am the poor guy from a village talking in front of camera, but you are watching this video. This is a huge thing. I appreciate that, and I wish you a best of luck. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.